Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and welcome to Warsaw. So I'm actually here for a couple of days. It's a work trip, but as with all of these trips, you get a couple of hours at the end of the day usually to go and have a look around. One of the perks of the job, so I will be taking you with me. I've arrived in the hotel late last night, and I'll just turn the camera around so you can see. We're actually blessed with the building site view, which is not exactly perfect, but there you go, such is life. As far as the motorcycle, this video will keep that little secret, a little surprise, keep you watching a little bit longer. And first things first, I think we're going to go to the gym and do a little bit of stretching and maybe a bit of a leg workout. So I'll take you along with me. So if by the magic of YouTube, that was a very bad click, wasn't it? Let me try that again. As if by the magic of YouTube, I'll get changed into gym gear. Right, well, I'm back from the gym. My camera didn't record half of the workout, so never mind, just trust me that we did some stretching and health related activities. I've realised I've forgotten a razor, so I've got this kind of scruffy appearance, and my shirt is very unironed and crinkly and all that, so I'm going to have a go ironing it, because I can't go out. I can't go and meet my colleagues like this. Right, let's try and get this on the go. Okay, so we're marginally better presented. Emphasis on the word marginally. I'm just going to go and find some breakfast. So let's go find some breakfast.
There's that silky smooth sound. Did you hear it? Nice, isn't it?
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember.
Right, so we fast forwarded. It's now the evening, it's 5:45, so I've actually had a whole day's work in between what you last saw and where we are now. But the sun's come out, I've had a nice lunch, done everything we needed to do. Thought I'd do a little piece to camera about the bike, which we rented today, which is this CBR 650R. Before I do it actually out in the open, kind of face my fear of doing pieces to camera when there's like loads of people around. I thought that's just the only way to get over that, just jump in, start doing it. So I found a place where there's not that much traffic, but obviously there's loads of people about. Been around the old square, that was quite good, had a little walk around, took some pictures, some B-roll.
And I've also ridden this bike from the hotel all the way up here. It took about half an hour, and it's a lovely little entry-level sports bike. Those of you who don't know, it's 650, but it's a 4-cylinder. So as opposed to the other bikes in this class, like the Yamaha R7, the Ninja 650, even the Aprilia RS 660, they're all twins. So this is the only bike that's kind of entry-level, but it's a 4-cylinder, so you get that 4-cylinder noise, which is quite nice, really. It looks nice. Obviously the riding position is a bit more leant over compared to my own bike, but that's what I came from, so I'm getting back used to it. Suspension is Showa, single fork function, so there's each fork is one's the preload, one's the rebound, whatever. I don't really know what I'm talking about that, so I know they're separate fork functions, just leave it at that. Mirrors are good, obviously not much vibration because it's got 4 little pistons going up and down. Mirrors are good with nice good visibility. Seat's quite comfortable, and the brakes are good, and it looks great. I mean, and it's red. That's about it. Not going to do a proper review or anything, but yeah, it's just been a good little bike to rip around on. I've been through a few tunnels, opened it up, it just sounds really good. So yeah, I actually rented this bike quite inexpensively. I've had a little trip round, seen everything I could see really, much better than going in taxis, and much easier than renting a car and then having to park, because as you can see, you can just stop anywhere with this, and more or less you can get away with just popping it down on the side stand, lock, and have a walk around and see what you can see. I got the jacket, got the gloves, got the helmet, rented it all, so top job really. Alright guys, well, sun's about to set. Unfortunately it's only a short one this time, so I've got to go back very early tomorrow morning. Bike's getting collected, just had the bike for a few hours really to enjoy it, and I've had perfect weather, so I will catch you in the next one. Thanks a lot.